Banded kickouts. So for this exercise, you will be using a monster band. We're going to place the monster band over our heel, very important. I lie on my back, both legs are straight. My back is flat. At this position, I have some tension with the band using my hands. I bring my knee past my hips or above my hips. From here, I'm creating more tension, as you can see. Now I extend my leg, exhale, and it's close to the floor, but it's not touching, and I slowly bring it back. Tension is created by my upper body in the band. Couple of options. You can kick up 45 degrees. You can kick out in between, or you can kick out close to the floor, but don't touch the floor. Exhale as you kick out. Inhale as you come back. Always controlled. You will choose the angle that works best for you and where you have no discomfort throughout the movement. Do for prescribed reps and enjoy the stretch.